sealed with a kiss. Kaley Cuoco and her new boyfriend, Tom Pelphrey, are all loved up in PDA pictures posted 1 week after their Instagram debut. Farm Life, The Big Bang Theory alum, 36, captioned an Instagram story photo Thursday of herself and the Ozark star, 39, locking lips while riding horses. Cuoco went on to share a black and white snap of Pelphrey embracing her, which she captioned with a gif of 3 black hearts. The flight attendant star introduced the Outer Range actor to her Instagram followers earlier this month. Life lately, heart, evergreen tree, paw prints, dizzy, she wrote alongside a May 4th slideshow featuring Polaroids with Pelphrey. The sun breaks through the clouds, rays of gold slipping into my eyes and heart, rays of yellow to break the gray, she added. Pelphrey shared some of the same shots to his own account at the time along with a lengthy quote about losing your place amid so much good in the world. You catch a breeze, so warm and ripe, it makes you hope that someone will come who also cannot save you, but who will think you are worth saving, his statement concluded. The duo's social media debut came 8 months after Cuoco filed for divorce from Carl Cook. She married the equestrian, 31, in June 2018 in California and announced their split in September 2021. Despite a deep love and respect for one another, we have realized that our current paths have taken us in opposite directions, the estranged couple said in a joint statement. There is no anger or animosity, quite the contrary. We have made this decision together through an immense amount of respect and consideration for one another. Prior to her relationship with Cook, the Yes, Norman Productions founder was married to tennis player Ryan Sweeting from December 2013 to May 2016.